Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Google account. Many people switch accounts and miss photos. Once signed in, open Photos. Google.com or the Google Photos app on your device. Make sure you're viewing the correct account by checking the profile icon. Next, navigate to Library and tap Bin or Trash. Google keeps deleted items for 60 days. If you see the photos, select them and choose Restore. If nothing appears, proceed to the next step to search backups and device folders. Now broaden the search. Use the search field with dates, places, or people to surface items that aren't in the main library. Once done, open Library Utilities device folders or backups to see photos that didn't sync. Make sure the device's backup setting was enabled. If not, local files may remain on the phone. Also check Google Drive and any shared albums where someone else might have moved images. Finally, review account activity for recent deletions or restorations. To finish, restore items from bin by selecting Restore so they return to your library and albums. If you need many files, use Google Takeout to export a copy to your computer. This preserves originals and metadata. Make sure to download anything you want before the 60-day limit. If photos are still missing, verify other signed-in accounts and check device local storage. If necessary, contact Google support and provide timestamps, file names, and account details for recovery assistance as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.